Imagine a planet so vast it could swallow every other planet in the solar system, and still have room left over. A world that spins faster than any other, whipping up storms larger than Earth itself, storms that have raged for centuries without rest. A cosmic guardian that shields us from destruction, yet hides mysteries that may hint at alien oceans buried beneath ice. This is Jupiter, the giant that shaped our past, controls our present, and may decide our future. Tonight we journey into its clouds, its storms, its moons, and its secrets, asking, what is Jupiter still hiding after 4.5 billion years? Chapter 1. The Scale of a Giant. To grasp Jupiter's size, let's shrink the solar system down to pocket scale. Imagine Earth as a nickel, small, familiar. Now place it beside Jupiter, a basketball. 11 Earths could line up across its equator. Inside, you could tuck away more than 1,300 Earths. Its gravity is staggering, 318 times stronger than Earth's. Stand there, if you could, and you wouldn't just feel heavy, you'd be crushed instantly. But here's the catch. Jupiter doesn't have a surface. Drop through its clouds and you'll never land. Instead, you'd fall into layers. Ammonia ice crystals, slushy ammonium hydrosulfide, water clouds that give way to a sea of metallic hydrogen. Here, pressures rise to millions of times what you feel at sea level. Temperatures climb above 20,000 Kelvin, hotter than the sun's visible surface. And yet, high in the upper clouds, it's bitterly cold, minus 145 degrees Celsius. Jupiter is a paradox, freezing and fiery, crushing and ethereal. Chapter 2. A World of Storms. Now picture a storm so large you could fit Earth inside it. Twice. That's the Great Red Spot, a colossal hurricane first spotted in the 1600s, still roaring 4 centuries later. Its winds tear at 432 kilometers per hour, yet inside its center, things are strangely calm. Juno has revealed it plunges 500 kilometers deep, far below the cloud tops. But here's the mystery. Why is it red? Some scientists think sunlight cooks sulfur and phosphorus into scarlet chemicals. Others point to lightning baking strange organics. Whatever the cause, its true color code remains unsolved. But Jupiter's weather isn't one note. Its atmosphere is alive with chaos, white ovals, brown barges, merging, disappearing in weeks or decades. Lightning bolts flash with a force 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. They crackle through clouds, creating hail made of ammonia and water, what Juno scientists nicknamed mushballs. And then there's the strange, sprites and elves, glowing plasma storms flickering high above the clouds, touching space itself. On Jupiter, weather isn't just violent, it's otherworldly. Chapter 3. Guardian of the Solar System. Jupiter isn't just a storm world, it's a shield. Its enormous gravity acts like a cosmic gatekeeper. Billions of years ago, it stirred up the asteroid belt, preventing a planet from forming there. Today, it deflects comets and asteroids, sometimes swallowing them whole. In 1994, the world watched a reminder of its power. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, torn into pieces, slammed into Jupiter. Each impact exploded with the force of Earth's entire nuclear arsenal. Dark scars spread across the planet's atmosphere, visible even from Earth. It was terrifying, but also comforting. Because without Jupiter, many of those cosmic bullets might have been aimed at us. It's estimated Jupiter has prevented countless impacts that could have sterilized Earth long before life began. This giant isn't just a planet, it's the solar system's unsung bodyguard. Chapter 4. A Miniature Solar System. The true wonder of Jupiter lies in its retinue of moons, over 90 satellites, each with a story. 4 of them, the Galilean moons, are worlds that could stand on their own. Io is alive with volcanoes, not just 1 or 2, but hundreds. Its surface is constantly reshaped by eruptions powered by Jupiter's tidal pull. Sulfur geysers rise 300 kilometers high, painting the moon in yellows and reds. Europa is a frozen enigma. Beneath its cracked ice shell lies a global ocean, twice the volume of Earth's seas. Hubble has spotted plumes of water vapor venting into space, geysers 200 kilometers tall. Could life stir in those alien waters, warmed by tidal flexing? Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than Mercury. It's the only moon with its own magnetic field, a sign of a hidden molten core. Callisto is ancient, scarred with craters billions of years old. It's a time capsule, a fossil from the solar system's youth. Together, these moons form a miniature solar system, volcanoes, oceans, magnetic fields, and ice worlds, all orbiting one planet. Chapter 5. Unlocking the Secrets. We wouldn't know any of this without our robotic pioneers. Pioneer 10 and 11 first braved Jupiter's deadly radiation belts in the 1970s, giving us the first close-ups. Then came Voyager 1 and 2, capturing images of volcanoes erupting on Io. The Galileo spacecraft orbited Jupiter for 8 years, mapping its moons, discovering Europa's ocean, and even dropping a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere before plunging into the giant itself. Today, Juno skims close to the cloud tops every 53 days. Its discoveries are rewriting the textbooks. It's shown that the Great Red Spot is shrinking, but still deep enough to outlast centuries. Its gravity data revealed Jupiter's core isn't solid, but a fuzzy mix of rock and gas spread across half the planet. Its auroras glow in electric blue rings larger than Earth, pulsing to the rhythm of Jupiter's 10-hour spin. And the story isn't over. JUICE, launched by Europe in 2023, and NASA's Europa Clipper, launched in 2024, will fly past the icy moons, hunting for organics, and maybe, just maybe, signs of life. What comes next? So, what has Jupiter been hiding? Storms older than civilization, oceans larger than Earth's seas, moons that might host alien ecosystems, a gravity field that protected Earth long enough for us to evolve. 4 billion years ago, Jupiter stirred the ingredients that made the planets. For the next 4 billion, it will continue to shape the solar system's fate. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's a story still unfolding, and we're only just learning the alphabet. If tonight's journey into Jupiter's clouds left you wide-eyed, give this video a like. It tells the algorithm these cosmic stories are worth sharing. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next stop on our tour. And let me know in the comments, which fact about Jupiter surprised you most? The Great Red Spot's endless storm, Europa's hidden ocean, or the idea that Jupiter may have saved Earth itself? While you think on this, don't forget to keep looking up at the stars.